Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about Podio, a project management and collaboration software. Specifically, I'm going to be answering the question, is there a free version of Podio? Before we get into that, let's talk a little bit about what Podio is and why you might want to use it. Podio is a powerful tool that can help you manage your projects, track your tasks, and collaborate with your team. It's great for businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises. Benefits of Podio. There are a number of benefits to using Podio, including customization. Podio is highly customizable, so you can tailor it to your specific needs. Collaboration. Podio makes it easy to collaborate with your team, even if they're in different locations. Task management. Podio provides a powerful task management system that helps you keep track of all your projects and tasks. Reporting. Podio provides a variety of reporting tools that help you track your progress and performance. Free versus paid versions of Podio. Now that we've talked about what Podio is and why you might want to use it, let's get to the question at hand. Is there a free version of Podio? The answer is yes and no. There is no free version of Podio in the traditional sense. However, there is a free trial that you can use to test out the software and see if it's right for you. The free trial is limited to 10 users and 5 apps. If you're looking for a free and open-source project management tool, there are a number of other options available, such as Trello and Asana. However, if you're looking for a powerful and customizable project management tool with a free trial, then Podio is a good option. When to choose Podio? So, when should you choose Podio over other project management tools? Here are a few factors to consider. Customization. If you need a highly customizable project management tool, then Podio is a good choice. Collaboration. If you need to collaborate with a team in different locations, then Podio is a good choice. Task management. If you need a powerful task management system, then Podio is a good choice. Reporting. If you need a variety of reporting tools, then Podio is a good choice. In conclusion, Podio is a powerful and customizable project management tool that can help you manage your projects, track your tasks, and collaborate with your team. While there is no free version of Podio in the traditional sense, there is a free trial that you can use to test out the software and see if it's right for you. If you're looking for a free and open-source project management tool, there are other options available. However, if you're looking for a powerful and customizable project management tool with a free trial, then Podio is a good choice. If you're interested in learning more about Podio, I encourage you to check out their website and sign up for a free trial. You can also watch some of my other videos on Podio, where I'll show you how to use the software to manage your projects and tasks. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on productivity and time management. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.